My Screen, the portable digital screen maker. Screen print anytime, anywhere. Lightweight and eco-friendly. No emulsion, no water, no positive films, no chemicals. In this video, we will show you the step-by-step process in using My Screen portable screen maker in the simplest way possible. Step 1. Open any design software like Adobe Photoshop and save your artwork as a JPG file. Step 2. Open the driver software from My Screen and just click drag and drop the JPG file. Attach USB to be plugged from My Screen to the PC and then click Send Image. Step 3. Use the double-sided adhesive tape onto the metal frame using the My Screen instruction manual. You may follow the directions illustrated to neatly attach the screen maker onto the metal frame, and now you're ready. Step 4. Set the frame with the arrow mark showing up and insert the frame into the My Screen machine while aligning on both sides. Step 5. Proceed to hold down to start screen making, and once finished, gently withdraw the frame of all the My Screen machine. Proceed to setting up the screen table. Place the frame on top of the table and align and tighten it on the sensor accordingly. Now proceed to use the Riso Aqua ink from My Screen. Use spatula to scoop and speed the ink on top of the screen. Now use the squeegee and screen print. Just follow the same procedure as shown in the previous clip until all material is done. Best way to dry your material is by using heat press. Place the material, then the protection paper, then hold and press for less than 10 seconds. And now, your material is ready. What are you waiting for? Start your home-based t-shirt printing business with Riso Mi Screen. Compact body size, easy to operate, and quick screen making. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texgraph.com.